Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Mwah. Hey, guys. Welcome back for another YouTube video. Today, I'm with a special guest. Little bit. Say hello. Hello. Oh, she loves giving kisses.
Yes, this dog does. Oh, fudge.
Oh.
I said coop.
Annie, come here. Come here.
Ow.
Come here. Come here. You want a treat? Come here.
I'm just like putting, do you like me like I like you?
Oh.
Is that weird?
Ooh.
Is it weird if I like...
I don't know. Is it? She's licking my. She is licking my arm.
I'm obsessed with that hurt now. It's like... Somebody pinned you on Facebook.
Poked me. Someone poked
Whatever.
me.
Hi, I'm
No,
here.
it's a view for doggies. Doggies only.
So,
Your phone is warm.
because I've been on it.
No.
Come here.
Ah, the pillow. No, stop. Stop, Trinity. You're hurting her. Incredible. See the world. Ugh.
Your
Don't
dog doesn't even want to come near you. Oh my god. Do I know what your dog looks like? What's that hairy guy from Star Wars? Look at her now.
He looks gorgeous.
Oh my god.
It's my puppy.
No, it's not.
She's
She's not
puppy.
puppy.
Get your hand out of my puppy. I'm gonna beat that puppy. My little bit talks to y'all. Little bit, come say hi. Don't force whore.
And you have room to talk.
Stop it, I'm trying to get on top of her. It's not that important. Oh God. Trinity. Oh.
Each have doggies now.
Both of them love me.
No.
Oh, rude.
Especially a little bit hates you.
That's not true.
She doesn't hate me either.
Doesn't mean anything. Down my puppy. My camera's dirty.
Let him look.
Little bit?
No!
Show the camera a little bit. She has to see both. Oh, she hit me. Gosh, rude.
You hit me.
You're throwing dogs. Stop punching. Oh God, my dog is getting feisty.
Oh my god, shut up, Annie.
So, this is just a puppy vlog. You guys get to meet my puppies. We have another one, Blaze. He's old. He doesn't. I'm not gonna put him on camera though, because I don't want to.
She put her tongue in my mouth.
It's right here.
Oh god.
Sorry guys, I'm trying to figure out a good spot to put my camera. Ooh, the remote. Here I am. Yeah. Oh! You. What happened to your headphones? Where is the little the piece right here?
Oh, I took it off.
Oh, well, guys, it's the end of the puppy vlog. Hey, what have I told you about biting? I hope you guys enjoyed. No bite. For kisses. I said kisses, not bite. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys want more puppy vlogs, like with us with the puppies a lot, like or the whole time. Stop eating the bed. Just comment down below and make sure you leave a like because I don't get lots of likes. And check out all my other videos. Just click on my little face on the bottom. Down, down, down. I have to turn your phone from this way to this way. And you can see my beautiful face. It's upside down. It might be a dog. I might be turning it into a dog. And don't forget, guys, to subscribe and make sure you turn on that little bell at the bottom to post notifications, my notifications. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!